sugar snap peas. And here's my harvest. My sugar snap peas harvest. There's more here. Look at this bunch. Here you go. They are great for snacking, crunchy, sweet, and super nutritious. Now let's harvest some kumquats. Smells good. So we have like the sugar snap peas, the kumquats, and now let's harvest some oranges. Look at this, it's so huge. I think this is like overripe. Other ones are like smaller. Let's harvest one more. And here's my harvest. I'm going to Green Thumb to get some seeds, some wildflower seeds. Let's look at what they have for the flowers first before we get the seeds. Let's look at the vegetables. Nasturtiums. Oh, I like this mix. Nasturtiums. I'll get that later. Nice. We have this. This one's bolted already. I'm looking for wildflowers. Early blooming beekeeper's nest. Oh, these are beautiful. Probably get this. This is $3.39. I get another one. So those are the wildflowers. Or like the flowers. Cosmos. Cosmos are pretty too. These are poppies. Let's look at this side. Flower mix, fairy rainbow. This is nice too. This is, how much is this? Doesn't say. Poppy. Oh, these are poppies. Oh, they're all beautiful. I don't know which one to get. Oh, those are salads. So the flowers are here. Oh, there's more flowers here. Oh, look at them. Look at all these wildflowers or like flowers.
Nursery, Park 2, please. Nursery.
Which one should I get? I think I'll get a smaller version of this. I have Cosmos. Let's do Cosmos. And then what else? They are really pretty on the bases. What else? These ones are pretty too. Foxgloves. And here we have this fairy rainbow. Colorful mix. And then the poppies. I like this cornflower too. Asters are very cute. Lavender lady. Oh, what is that? Oh my gosh, a lot of beautiful flowers. I don't know which one to pick. Here's what I have so far. Bergamot. Bergamot is pretty. It seems like this is a very pretty cut flower. I'll get this one too. Look at all these beautiful flowers here. They are also very, very pretty. I love this one. It's just like I cannot like really grow it long. This one. The ferns too. Those are pretty. Tulips are here. They are $14.99. And then this one's too. Hyacinth. Right here. Oh, these are beautiful spring flowers. See? This is like a jewel mixed nasturtium. I've only grown like an orange nasturtium. And there's the reed. I mentioned in the other video that I am going to make this like part of the garden pretty. So now I am going to plant the seeds. These are the seeds that I'm going to plant. The foxglove, the cosmos, the poppy, and then the echinacea. Oh, and then this one. But I only use half of them. The rest I'm going to scatter in our backyard. Let's fix the soil first.